I'm a manufacturing consultant in Japan. I've spent 15 years watching small factories win orders that look profitable on paper and lose money on them. This is ProfitGate. It answers one question. Will that order actually leave a profit? Here's an incoming order. 5,000 machined housings, tight tolerance, a 3-week lead time, a new customer. On paper, 8% margin. Let's analyze it. Now, watch the margin. The analysis engine is built on GPT-5.6 with strict structured outputs, scoring the order against a hidden cost model drawn from real factory experience. This demo runs on bundled sample data, and the banner says so. 8% on paper, minus 2% in reality, shown as a range, not a false certainty. And every risk comes with a question to verify on your shop floor. The AI shows its assumptions. It also proposes counter conditions. Raise the price, relax non-critical tolerances, extend the lead time. Now the important part, the AI does not decide. A human decides. I accept with conditions, keep the terms that matter, and write my own reasoning. The app refuses to stamp a decision without it. And the decision becomes a decision passport. What we knew, what we assumed, which conditions we set, who decided, and when. An auditable record you can revisit when the actuals arrive. The entire application was built spec-first with OpenAI Codex. One session, from scaffold to core functionality, on the GPT-5.6 family. My role was the domain model, the specification, review, and the final call. The same philosophy as the product. Bad orders get accepted every day because hidden costs are invisible and nobody records why. ProfitGate makes the margin honest and the decision accountable. ProfitGate. Will that order actually leave a profit?